In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates and delete them in Microsoft Access. We'll start by opening Microsoft Access and loading the database you want to clean up. Once your database is open, look to the ribbon across the top and switch to the Create tab. This is where we'll build the query that finds the duplicates for you. In the Create tab, find the Queries group and click Query Wizard. A new query window opens with several choices. Select Find Duplicates Query Wizard, then choose OK. This wizard is designed to scan a table and return any records that share the same values and fields you specify. Next, pick the table you want to check for duplicates and click Next. Choose carefully here. This should be the table where you suspect repeated records. Now select the field or fields that might contain duplicate information. Think about the value that should be unique for each record, such as an identifier or a code. If more than one field together defines uniqueness, include them both. When you're confident in your selection, click Next. You'll then be asked to add any additional fields you want to see in the results. These don't determine what's considered a duplicate, but they help you compare and decide which record to keep. Add helpful context fields like status, notes, or dates so you can easily distinguish between records. Then click Next. Give your query a clear name so you can find it again later, and click Finish. Acces now runs the query and shows you a data sheet with groups of duplicate records based on the fields you selected. Take a moment to review the results. If something looks off, you can close the results, open the query in design view, adjust the selected fields, and run it again. Once you're confident you've identified true duplicates, it's time to remove the extras. A best practice before deleting anything is to make a quick backup of your database or table just in case you need to restore a record later. In the results window, select the records you don't want to keep, usually keeping the one with the most complete or most recent information, and delete the unwanted ones. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Work in small batches if your list is long so you can review as you go. When you're done, close the query results. You can rerun this saved query anytime you need to recheck for duplicates. That's it. Your table is now cleaner and easier to trust.